Silver on fire this Tuesday. So is it the play to watch? We're back after Labor Day, and joining us now is Frank Holmes, CEO of U.S. Global Investors. Frank, always good to have you back on KITCO's Gold Report.
It's good to be here.
So both gold and silver are up, but the best performing precious metal for the week was silver, surging 4.18% following the poor jobs report. So is this the metal to follow, Frank?
I think it's an important metal to follow because as people develop more confidence in the precious metal arena, silver starts to take center stage and revert back to its long-term ratio, or the mean, which is basically around 40 to 1. And you could see silver run to $30 based on that ratio.
But Frank, why do you think that the metals are still performing well here, considering the fact that the market is still pricing in a rate hike despite the weaker than expected jobs numbers that came out last Friday?
Well, look at today, once again, rates are coming back down again. There's a big debate. Morgan Stanley thinks that rates are not going to go up, and Goldman Sachs believe rates will rise. I'm of the opinion that rates will not rise. Global PMI, I look at a lot of factors, Daniela, and I just don't see in an election year a real strong conviction to see gold collapse or interest rates rise dramatically, and it'll be that factor. A massive surge in interest rates would derail the price of gold, and I don't see that in the cards.
Okay, well, we know you like the precious metals. I know you like physical gold, physical silver. You like the mining stocks, I know. But how do you play it? What do you choose here? Do you choose physical over the mining stocks? Both? What would you do?
Well, I've always said, that 5% bullion and 5% in good quality gold stocks. Now, when we look at the metals, silver is on a tear. It's got stronger momentum. And I've mentioned before on your program that usually you get a 1% move in bullion translates into a 3% move in silver, especially when we get this bullish sentiment. Rates aren't going to rise, gold and silver to go up. Therefore, silver's a better play.
All right. And finally, Frank, with the big jobs report now behind us, what's your touchdown pass for the week?
It'll be jobs again on Thursday, looking for another jobs report, which is a precursor to the big one coming in the middle of the month. So I think that Thursday is just another thing on jobs, and it'll create lots of noise in the marketplace.
All right, Frank, thanks so much for joining us this week. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We have Wall Street pundit Jim Grant up next.